Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Anchorage, Alaska, at 10:48 a.m. on January 8, 2028, effective until 12:48 p.m., message from EPOSCAP. There is an unknown issue with the water at Ship Creek that has caused animals to die, and have sent some who have drunk the water of Ship Creek to be sent to nearby hospitals. Residences that use Ship Creek water are to cease using the water immediately. Please do not consume, bathe, drink, use to cook or boil the water. If you are near Ship Creek, do not allow pets in the water, and do not go in the water by foot or any boat until this order is lifted.
This is an urgent message from the Anchorage City government. We are activating the emergency alert system to advise people to do not use Ship Creek water, as there is an unknown chemical in the water supply. It is believed that the water in question has hospitalized several people and have caused some animals to die. Again, do not use the water at all costs if you are using Ship Creek water. Stay tuned as regular programming continues.
Contaminated water warning for the following: Anchorage Borough of Alaska. The following message is transmitted at the request of the City of Anchorage Water Division. The water supply along Ship Creek near Anchorage has become sulfuric, and residences are to cease using the water immediately. Only use bottled water as a means of drinking water. Do not use the contaminated water at all costs. No further information is available at this time.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. The U.S. Geological Survey has determined that a hidden volcano under the Chugach State Park is to erupt within the next 3 hours. The following areas are to immediately evacuate: all of the Anchorage Municipality of Alaska, southwestern Valdez-Cordova Census Area of Alaska, north and northeastern Kenai Peninsula Borough of Alaska, and south and southeastern Matanuska-Susitna Borough of Alaska. Evacuate immediately due to this impending eruption.
A volcanic ash warning has been issued for Anchorage Borough, Kenai Peninsula Borough, Matanuska-Susitna Borough, and Valdez-Cordova Census Area, effective until 12:30 a.m.
An administrative message has been issued. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. Devastating damage has occurred in areas affected by the eruption of the now-named Chugach State Park volcano. Residences are not to return to any areas affected by this eruption, because most of the area has been obliterated. Again, residents are to not return to any areas even though the danger is over. This concludes this message from the Emergency Alert System.